You made that?
She made the... No, she didn't. She made the rock. She just had us write on the rock. Can you guys make sure all the movies are together right at this minute?
I put that in my movies in that bag.
Okay, but what are the rest of the movies?
So, Anna, you were telling me you want a ballet. You're learning ballet. What is there to learn about ballet? Why? Why is it nice? How would you describe ballet? What do we do? So you were learning at the beginning of this learning process. And that's why we're teaching, right? Because you're learning about ballet as well. You learned about ballet. You want to see it a bit more? Perhaps we can get some videos and perhaps back.
Maybe we shut off Steve Dago, but we shut off when we shut off. It's my daughter skipping rope. Hey guys, come on out to my shed. I'm going to show you some things I've been working on. It's a nice night out here. Watch out for Archimedes.
Oh, yeah.
That's the spider. Boss, I want to show you some things out in the shed here. Have you been noticing anything weird going on lately?
Actually,
things in the sky?
Yeah, man. I saw a big light fly in the sky.
You saw some lights there?
Yeah.
Freaky spider boy?
In the middle of the night, it just went like and it was just like a boss in the sky.
You saw floating light pajama girl? Mm-hmm. What? What is that over there?
A jungle. Yeah. Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm a cat fairy.
A cat fairy?
Yeah.
I've never heard of such wonders.
I read of it in a book.
Here.
Here it says.
A cat? Cat fairy, what information do you have for us?
Would be a ginormous robot. It's you. Meow meow. Like it's so big. It's gonna come and get you.
Pajama girl, can you believe this is happening? Why do we need a robot?
To help save the world.
What was that flashing light?